guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, the great thing about Canva here is you can rapidly create designs for different platforms. That includes Facebook. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Canva here, log in into your account, and you want to go to search for content and canvas. Now from here, just type in Facebook post, and this should give you a number of options. Now you can create a blank post here for Facebook, and it will recommend different elements or templates that you could use, but there are going to be different posts or templates that you could actually use here. Again, like what I said, since Canva prioritizes creating templates, you could actually use the already existing templates here for whatever occasion you want. So for example, if you want to celebrate someone's birthday, choose the birthday format here. If you want to, in this case, want to have a look back post on Facebook, you go and choose this one. So it's best to determine what type of post you are or you're actually looking for here. So for example, maybe I want to create a Facebook post for this one. So for example, promoting a business or a travel plan here. Let's go and click on customize this template. Now, customizing the template itself is fairly easy. So if you want to customize the text, you just need to double click on it, and you can have the option to change a few things. Like for example, change the text, like for example, add an S on it if you want, or change the entire text itself. But yeah, so you even change the % off here. So the limit here is going to be your imagination. But what about the image that's already added in here? So the thing with this one is you can actually replace this. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to uploads here and just upload your own image. And basically once you've done that, you could go and just press and hold on it and just drag it into that section. And this will actually replace that image. Now from here, you could go ahead and change a few things. Like for example, the position for it, you can change this one. You can even change the ratio, bring it to out front if you want. You can even flip this if needed, vertical or horizontal if needed, as you can see right now. But yeah, so in this case, you could go and just start adding other elements as well. So if you want to go to elements here, just add a leaf on it, make it a lot smaller, as you can see right now. Even change the opacity for it, transparency. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you create a Facebook post here in Canva. But obviously, knowing what type of occasion, what type of post you want to create here is going to be a huge factor. Which template you want to use here, but the basic function here are going to be usually going to be there. You can add images, add text, edit text here. So the only limitation here is going to be what you imagine your post is going to be. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.